Hi, this video is going to be on masculinity. In the play, a lot of the characters could be said to be having stereotypically masculine traits. Masculinity is often aligned with cruelty and violence in the play, and this is best shown through Macbeth. Macbeth is often driven by his need to prove his masculinity to Lady Macbeth, and to carry out violent acts to do so. Lady Macbeth manipulates Macbeth to doing things that she thinks are best for the pair. So this could be said to be seen to be Lady Macbeth prescribing to 17th century gender roles. Women were not considered to be allowed to be ambitious in this time. This was considered a masculine trait. So Lady Macbeth was reduced to making her ambitious moves through her husband. However, it could also be seen to be flouting this 17th century gender role because Lady Macbeth holds a lot of power over her husband in this respect. Especially considering at this time, Lady Macbeth would be considered to be Macbeth's property because she is his wife. So the power she executes in their relationship is not sort of typical of one of the time. Another character that shows his masculine traits is Macduff, but he does this in a different way to Macbeth. After Macduff learns that his family has been killed, he says, "I must also feel it as a man." And this shows how he aligns his masculinity with his sensitive side. Perhaps this is one of the reasons why Macduff is so successful in the play compared to Macbeth. His actions come from a place of loyalty and love, whereas Macbeth is driven by his desire for power and his need to prove himself through his masculinity. So hopefully you can see how masculinity shows itself through some of the characters in the play. Thanks for listening.